Hey folks, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install tow mirrors on an E350. I have a 2002. I spent some time this morning putting on the passenger side, and I'm going to work on the driver's side with you today. My mirror got clipped by a delivery truck the other day, and they were pretty miserable to begin with, so I'm going to replace them with extendable towing mirrors. These mirrors are massive. I'll show you what I've got here. Here's the new mirrors. These were relatively inexpensive on Amazon, and they have 4 posts. The old mirrors have 3, so we're going to cut one of those off with an angle grinder, and then they have a longer stem than the old ones, so we have to make the holes a little larger. I'll show you how all that goes. So first, we're going to take the door panel off, pop the mirror out, make the new holes, mount up the new one, and put the door panel back together. Taking these door panels off is pretty straightforward. I have these custom sail panels. Those get unscrewed. Then there's a screw right under here. We gotta pop this off, take this off. This pops up, twists off to the side. There's a Torx 20 screw under there. 2 screws here and here, and perhaps one on the bottom. It was missing on my other side. And then this whole thing lifts up. Sail panels off. Those are the holes we're gonna be working with. I'm going to pop this out. This comes off. Now you can see we've got a screw hole here, one here, and one here, and then one down here. One of the problems with working on the street. So I've got all the screws out of the door here. Just have to remove this handle. Just get in here and pop this loose. This twists to the side, and then this loosens up with a T20. Now I've got all the screws out, this just lifts off. It's helpful to have the window down. This can just push back on here if you need to open it up or put it down. That gives us better access. So these 3 holes here hold the bolts, and we can just loosen those up and pop this off the outside. So the new mirror has 4 posts. We have 3 holes. We're going to reuse the top one and the bottom one. As you can see, the top and the bottom line up. We're going to cut off one of those posts and drill out the other one. Now these bolts here can go away, so I'm just going to pop those off. The mirrors come with a dust guard weather stripping. We can use it like a template to mark up exactly where we need our other hole to be. We're going to use this one here, so I can just punch that out. Then I'm going to mark that up with a Sharpie where I need that new hole. So I've got my holes drawn here. I was super concerned on the passenger side about being precise, but what I found is that if you get them pretty close, then drilling them out with a step bit, you can just go incrementally deeper until you have the proper fit. Now I just test fit and re-drill. The bottom one needs to be a little larger than the top. Alright, and that's good and snug. Time to bolt it up. Alright, to actually attach this, you need to put some fender washers inside, so I got these 1/4 inch by 1.5 fender washers, and the threads are M6, so I got some 30mm M6 by 1 bolts. there you have it. All bolted up. Just have to replace the door trim. Here's what using the old mirrors look like, and the new ones. Huge improvement over a field of vision from before. Hopefully they'll always like it to last.